Hello, are you letting clutter control your mind? If you have a clutter mindset, that means that you're not really aware of the clutter that you're creating, because it's a mindset, it's a way of being, so that when you take your blouse off the hanger, you just jerk it off and the hanger's sticking up, and things fall on the floor and you don't notice. And when you take your clothes off at the end of the day, you don't put them in the laundry, you just sort of wherever they land, and you don't see it, because clutter controls your mind. You lay things on the table and all your flat surfaces. You allow your family to do the same thing because you're modeling this for them. So change your state of being, change your mental thought patterns to declutter, so that instead of making a mess everywhere you go, like Pigpen on Peanuts, you're going to be tidy everywhere you go. And behind you is order instead of chaos. So today, start thinking, how can I make this better with each move you make? And over time, it will become second nature, and then your mind will be a decluttering state of mind. Have a wonderful day.